Hey there, welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name is Richard, and today I'm coming to you for day number 4 of our Trading $1,000 Every Day with AI challenge. Now, let's talk about what happened with day number 3. Boop! All right, Palantir. That's what we traded yesterday. I went in, I'll show you, I'm going to scroll down. We actually made money. We went in for $1,047, cashed out for $1,075. The stop loss got canceled. If you remember, I had a stop loss in place for if it went down more than 2% or so. It got canceled. So let's look at the big board and let's see where we're going. And then we're going to ask AI to give us the next day. Look at that. We made $28.56. So now for the game so far, per se, the game, we are up 40. Oh, that is an ugly green. We need darker green. Okay. We're up $44.24. Yay! You can see we're putting everything right here. I have no clue what stock's about to go here. But what we're going to do is we are going to ask our friend, Mr. AI. Now, what happened was Palantir kind of went pretty straight up today. Let's just take a look at it real quick. Palantir went really well. We exited at... Again, I'm still trying... we exited at 153.70. Should have held on. Could have made another $7 there if we held on till after hours. But I sold it right after hours because I wanted to get it sold. That's not 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I'm going to play poker. But let's see what's going on tomorrow. So we're going to go to our friend, Mr. Grok. And we're going to say... Give me the best place to invest $1,000 tomorrow. Let's see. Mr. Grok, he's done okay so far. Okay. High risk. Single day. Keeps giving me these warnings every time. July 24th, yep. ETS, Nvidia or Tesla? You know what? I like the Tesla ones. Yeah. Steps. Let's get to Tesla steps. I've been avoiding Tesla because that's for tomorrow. Check catalyst tonight. Yep, there's earnings. There's a conference call about to start. Let's freaking do it. TSLA. Okay. We're going to get set up. You see right here, we got our Tesla in there. Let's get the setup. Yep, we're not doing options. Not options. No. No options, please. Just shares. We're not ready for options yet here. All right. Perfect. Okay, go. Give me the setup. I know how to set up a brokerage account. Three shares. Okay, 3 shares. Is what we're going to be buying in Tesla. Profit, stop loss. Okay, perfect. 2 to 3 shares below. Limit losses to 20 or 30 bucks. We'll still be good for the day. All right, let's do this. We're going to go back. TSLA. I don't think I own any Tesla. Let me make sure there's no Tesla there. Perfect. Trade. Buy. 3 shares. Perfect. Well, come on. Let's get in before it's 1,000. Okay. 997.80. So we're going to go right here. Again, we'll go investment amount 997.80. We're going to set a stop loss. Now, why are we going to set... We're going to set a stop loss. We'll set a stop high. You know, this might actually be an interesting strategy. This might be day 4, really, and day 3. We'll see. So let's set our stop loss appropriately where it said to set it. I bought at adjust numbers for a purchase. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to show you what's going on. A purchase price of... what did I buy it at? At market value, average cost $332.60. Okay, perfect. So it's going to tell me where I exit at that 2 to 3% down. Check catalyst tonight. That is our exit. Profit target 3 to 5% gain. Stop loss 2 to 3 below. So 332.60. Let's see. Let's go on the lower end. So 325.95. Yeah, 325.95 is going to be our sell. So we'll put in a limit, a stop loss, a trade, sell, shares. We're going to go stop order. And we're going to go with a stop loss of 325.95. And by 4 o'clock tomorrow, we are going to sell all 3 shares. And that's it. That was a quick one. That was a really quick one today. Essentially, we're done in 5 minutes and 54 seconds. You know what? Let's do one more day. Can you recommend a second stock for $1,000? Gotta juice this up a little bit. Thank you, Mr. Grok. Iris single trade. I don't want to do NVIDIA again. No. Please not NVIDIA. It was just a boring day. But I do love how you can talk to these AIs and... what are we going to recommend? I don't want to do Palantir either. Let's leave the tech bubble. Again, let's just see what the exit would be here. We'll jump here. Where are we going to leave the tech? Oh, fuck. That's funny. Woohoo! Carnival. That's an interesting one. I'll do it. I'll do it. It recommended it. We'll do it. Okay, so I just wanted to put in the potential Tesla loss, and then fuck AI. AI just does not like me today. So it would be $997.80. The investment value, and it would sell out on that stop loss. Let me sell it. Didn't we put in a stop loss for Tesla? Yeah, here we go. Stop loss would be 325.95 times 3. 325.95 times 3 equals 320. Oh, we can just do it up here. 325.95 times 3 equals 325.95 times 3. 977. So we can calculate this out. Just kind of see where we would wind up. Again, these are not real numbers yet, but in a worst case scenario, we're down $25. This is called managing risk. Those are not real, but shit. It wants me to buy Carnival. Okay. Check Carnival's price, place the trade. 54 shares. Okay. Well. Carnival. Buy 54 shares. Whoa. That's not right. Hold on. Check the current price of Carnival stock again. Let's see. See, this is why you have to question AI. AI is not foolproof. That's what I'm trying to show you here. There we go. Not the previously assumed. Look at this. It's like the current price of $13.74, not the previously assumed $18.36. Wow. That's pretty funny. 32 shares. There we go. So we're going to buy 32 shares, which is correct. And we'll hit review. We'll see what we bought them for. Then we're going to put our risk management into place. So we're going to do CCL. Investment amount was $984.64. And what we're going to do, we're going to tell it we bought it for, what did we buy it for? Good question. Okay. We bought it for 30.77 for 30.77. Adjust numbers. All right, that'll give us our exits. Got to think those out. Show you real quick. Oh, wow. Look at how smart it is. It says, ensure $1,000 is available for trading separate from your Tesla allocation. Yes, it is. Let's see what the stop loss is. Stop loss would be 30.15 for 32 shares. So we're going to put in the stop loss. Sell for, what's it? 30.15. Stop order. Okay. And we'll put in those 33 shares. 994.95. So we'll go over here. Make sure that executed. Yep. 994.95. Remember, this is all about managing risk. You could scale this up. You could scale this down. You could scale it sideways. You could scale it all around. That's what the hokey pokey is all about. All right. Still, we'd be up. Wait. 994.95. Ah, 984.67. An up amount? Yeah, this is why you always check. Oh no. Yeah, the stop price would be 30.15. That's why you shouldn't do this on a live video. 30.15 equals 30.15 times 33. Not minus. Equals 994.95. But that would be higher. Okay. Let's see. Set a stop loss. Okay. That's weird. What do I buy it at? Weird things are happening. Because it's giving me a profit. So let's replace that stop order. So where do we buy it at? Profit target and buy shares 30.77. And then we'd sell at 30.15. Which should be less money. All right, guys. Welcome to the craziness of me racking my head around what the hell I just did. 30.77. Ah! That's why. I have an additional share sitting around. That's all that happened. That's all that happened times 32. I was doing math wrong. All right, so I was doing math wrong. So we're going to replace the order. 30.15 is correct. But it's times 32 shares. I have an extra share in there. Boom. Correct. So if both of these fail in a spectacular fashion, we're still up $4.45. That's it. That is the plan for tomorrow. A little Carnival and a little Tesla. I don't know if it's going to work. That's why we're experimenting. And we're managing our risk appropriately. And remember, when you wear no pants, the only thing you got left to lose is your Captain America shirt. Have a great one, and see you for day number 5 tomorrow. Bye.